Good morning, student. I, Mrs. S. Ojha, am going to teach you computer. In previous class, you had studied about animation, what is Flash, how to open Flash Professional CS6 software. In this class, we will learn about some tools of Flash CS6 like selection tool, sub-selection, lasso, pen tool, etc. Click on Start button, Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Click on this option. Flash window is going to appear. Flash is a complex software, so it takes some time to load the files. Flash is also known as multimedia graphics software that is used to create interactive animated vector graphics for the web as well as for desktop presentation, movies, games, etc. Flash have some components: menu bar, edit bar, tool bar, work area, timeline, panel, property inspector, stage, etc. See the window of Flash. This is the Flash window, and top of the window menu bar is left side, toolbox, right side, library and properties window appear. In center of the screen, selecting the type of file, so we have to select type of file from the create new, then create new, then stage is going to appear. See the stage. New. We can also choose Ctrl plus N, and for the saving, save as command from the file menu. But before saving, we have to do some work with the different number of shapes. So save as dialog box is going to appear. File name untitled one is a default file name, so we have to give the some file name. So I am going to write animation 1, animation file. See, animation file, then click on OK button. So I am taking a shape here, circle shape. Select the oval tool and draw the circle. If you draw oval, then you can use only oval tool, but if you draw complete circle, then you have to hold shift key and drag the oval shape and drop on stage. Then select the circle from the selection tool. Here I am using sub selection tool. Sub-selection tool is used to move or edit individual anchor points and tangent on lines and outlines. Selection tool is used to most commonly to select and move an item or multiple times on the stage. See, I am moving the items in multiple times on the stage. Okay. Here I am using move tool by creating new file. See, this is the sub selection tool. Draw the circle, then click on sub by the sub selection tool on the object and drag it by its points. Then we can draw any shape. Here copying the things. Again I select the polygon tool and drag and drop. Here polygon shape is appear. So I am showing you lasso tool. Select the lasso tool and draw the shape. Then you can move particular shape. Means lasso tool is used to select a non-regular shape portion of an object. This is the non-regular shape which I am separate from the polygon shape. Next is line tool. Select the line tool from the toolbox and draw the line. Here we can change the line width also. By right side there is a stroke pressure of properties. So select the color whatever you want, then draw the line. If you want to draw a perfect line, then you have to hold shift key. See, we can give another line color also, and line style, line stroke. Next tool is pencil tool, pen tool. This is the pen tool. By the pen tool, any complex shape we can draw. See, like this. Consisting of a lot of perfect arches and a lot of perfect straight lines. This is the speciality of pen tool. So by shifting or this curve shape, we can draw any kind of shape by the pen tool. After that, rectangle tool. Here we can draw rectangle from the rectangle tool and give the color, fill color and line style by the property inspector window. Here we are using pencil tool. Width of pencil I have increased, so just see, you can give any kind of width or stroke pressure of pencil by properties. By the rectangle tool you can draw rectangle as well as square also, but you have to hold shift key while dragging the rectangle on stage. After that, brush tool. Select the brush tool from the toolbox and brush size and brush stroke. Brush shape also you can select. Brush stroke from property window and brush size and shape from the bottom of toolbox. Next, eraser tool. Eraser tool is just like a classic eraser. It has 4 modes like erase normal, erase fills, erase lines, erase selected fills. Erase normal, if you use erase normal, then it erases normally like your eraser, but if you erase fills, then it erases only fills, not outline. If you erase lines, then it erases only the lines, not fills. Then erase selected fills. For this option you have to select the picture, then use erase selected fills. Then selected portion of fills is erasing by the erase select fill mode. Next is erase inside. By this option you can erase the tool. This is zoom label. 100% is a by default zoom level. So if the zoom level is increased, then we can change the zoom level. Zoom level is used to view the movie. See. Ink bottle tool. Next is ink bottle tool. Ink bottle tool is used to fill the stroke, color, line and style of the shape, outline. Select the ink bottle tool from paint bucket tool, then use it. You can change stroke, style of ink bottle tool from properties. And last, there is a keyframe. We can insert keyframe from the window menu, and after that on the keyframe there is a layer 1 is default layer. You can change the layer name and also delete layer, create a new layer from the keyframe. Timeline section. That's all for the day, student. I hope you understand very well by watching the computer practical class. Have a nice day. Take care.